This is so refreshing. Okay. Hey bunnies. For today's Naked Sunday, before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I am drinking is vodka with Publix Deli Raspberry Lemonade. I don't know if you have a Publix in your area, right? But Publix, the Publix Deli, best grocery store deli ever. I don't care. Debate me. Try to convince me otherwise, okay? Now, they make their own juices, and this is the raspberry lemonade. Vodka with the raspberry lemonade. Matter of fact, any kind of lemonade with vodka is good, but this is so refreshing. This tastes like something, it's like a hot summer day or evening. Make a picture of this for you and your friends. So good. So good. So for today's Naked Sunday, we're going to be talking about the best positions to get pregnant. A lot of you may or may not know this. I have 2 children of the ages of 5 and 8 now. Well, the 5-year-old is about to be 6, so yeah. Anyway, straying from the topic. No, this was a requested topic for me that was sent, asking what I just asked was the best position to get pregnant in. And what I will say is that there are no specific positions that you can do or try to get pregnant. And that is coming from my non-educated knowledge on the topic of having sex and procreating, okay? You can get pregnant just from him sliding it in one time, just from him putting in the tip. Having too much sex or not enough sex or doing missionary doggy or whatever other position you can think of is going to get you pregnant any faster or any slower, okay? There are so many people out there who have sex literally one time. It could be their first time having sex, and boom, them breed. Get it out of your head that you need to do a certain thing sexually to get pregnant. You either are going to get pregnant or you're not going to get pregnant. If it's a medical condition, go to your doctor, go get him checked, you get yourself checked, find out what it is if you cannot get pregnant. There are multiple apps. The app that I use is called Pink Pad. It tells me when I'm about to get my period. It tells me when I'm ovulating. It tells me when I'm not ovulating. There are many other apps as well that you can use that can give you the same information. You do not need to have sex and then jump on top of your head and listen. Once the guy ejaculates inside of you, the sperm is going to swim up through your tubes and get to your egg some kind of way, whether it's it's going to be one single sperm. Like it's not like a whole shitload of them just going to like bum rush your egg. It's just one single sperm that's going to touch the egg and then boom, you're pregnant. If you're having trouble getting pregnant, talk to your doctor. Okay? Have sex while you're ovulating. There are actually kits that will tell you when you're going to ovulate, not just the app, even though I think the app is a genius idea. You just enter your information and it gives you like an average, whatever based on your cycle. You don't need to try any crazy sex positions. You don't need to do any crazy things. You don't need to eat or drink certain things. Well, a healthier diet. But there are so many people who drink and do drugs and party and all these things and still end up getting pregnant. It's just who you are and who your partner is, okay? I feel like I'm yelling. Let me take a sip of my drink. When you see me sit like this, there are no, and I keep saying it, I'm gonna keep saying this over and over. There are no magic positions to get pregnant. There's no magic number of times that you have sex to get pregnant. You either do or you don't. If you're not using condoms, which condoms are only 99% effective, so that you could be that 1% who gets pregnant from a condom. Birth control, the pill, the ring, IUDs, all of those fail sometimes, right? So if you get pregnant, you just get pregnant. There's nothing, honestly, other than abstinence. Like, you could You could, the possibility, I'm not gonna throw it out there and say you are gonna get pregnant. The possibility exists. There is still a percentage, a chance that you can get pregnant. And if you're trying to get pregnant, there is no magic position to get pregnant. Okay? Okay. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you have a question that's you're too embarrassed to ask in the comment section, send me an email. It's in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace out and kissy face. Bye. Bunnies, so quick question. Do you want to film a Naked Sunday video with me? If yes, which I'm hoping the answer is yes, now is the perfect time to film with me. Click the link in the description bar below so you can get full access to the very first live taping of Naked Sunday. I'm gonna bring two of my favorite girlfriends. We are going to have an open bar, we're gonna have giveaways, we're gonna have pictures, and of course, we're going to be talking sex. Right? How fun is that? So if you want to be part of the very first filming of the, what am I going to call this? Naked Sunday full frontal, click the link in the description bar below for more info.